Hi, this is Dennis Ingles from Richard Ingles Jewelers. Quite often I'm asked, what is bullion gold? Bullion gold is simply 24 karat gold that's been made into a coin by a government mint. The most desirable worldwide, bar none, is the American Gold Eagle. This was made in the United States. It has 24 karat gold and it's very beautiful. These happen to be sealed up. Very beautiful coins. It's not for circulation. It's if you want to actually hold on to gold, this is the best way to hold it. It brings a premium. It's the most desirable. This is a Canadian gold coin, also very desirable. It's made by the Canadian government. Private mints will make bullion coins also, but the most desirable are still U.S. government mint coins. Come on, see me at Richard Ingles Jewelers, 534-7039, downtown Granville. We have a big red awning in front and a big red awning out in back. Come on, see me.